Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking down the essentials, get the macro lens or fit extension tubes for close magnification, and mount the camera on a sturdy tripod. Once done, compose tightly, fill the frame with the subject to emphasize detail, and set ISO low to preserve texture. Make sure to use a remote release or the 2-second timer to remove camera shake. This is critical because at macro distances, minor movement ruins focus. You're now ready to refine focus and lighting. You now refine what matters: focus and light. Switch to manual focus and use live view with 5x to 10x magnification to place critical sharpness exactly where you want it, because autofocus often hunts at close range. Then balance light. Diffuse any hard source with a small softbox, diffuser, or reflector so highlights don't blow out fine detail. Once you have exposure and focus, consider focus stacking for greater depth when aperture alone can't cover the subject. Make a deliberate sweep of overlap frames. You finish by collecting the files and processing them with intent. Shoot a bracketed series or a focus stack, moving focus slightly between frames with 10 to 30% overlap so software can align and blend cleanly, and record RAW for maximum recovery. Once imported, merge stacks for extended depth, then apply local sharpening and denoising sparingly to preserve texture. If results are soft, troubleshoot. Reduce vibration, increase overlap between frames, or soften and add more even light. Those fixes solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.